Hey guys, welcome back. I think we finally have all of the parts that we need to get this KX finished up. If you haven't already, I would appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. Let's get this thing finished up. We were able to find a used axle for this. I just measured it up and everything looks correct. We've got to get this tire off the rim, replace the sprocket on it, put this new tire on there with a new tube, which I have right here. We have the front sprocket, the rear sprocket, a spoke wrench, some brake pads, and a chain. I need to get this front tire off of there because I think I might have pinched the tube when I was putting this new tire back on there. It doesn't seem to want to hold air. We've got to get all of the plastic bolted down. I need a new fuel line here. I cut it a little bit short, and then I got to get this boot clamp on there. But I think we're in the home stretch. Oh, I did get this filter replaced, and I got it stickied up. But I think we're in the home stretch. Let's get this stuff taken care of. All right, guys, I think we got it. I was able to get that chain put on there, as you saw in the video, and this is what we ended up with. Definitely looks a lot better than when we started. I just took it up the road a little bit and across my back lawn, and it seems to go all right. I think I'm still gonna need to adjust the bleed the brakes a little bit because the front is a little soft and the rear is a little soft as well. But the reason that it took so long to get this video out was because the chain that I ordered, once again, they gave me a 90 link, and I'm pretty sure that I asked for 120 link, so I had to wait on a 120 link. But we did end up getting those pinch bolts taken care of. We got some new tires. This thing is pretty much ready to rip. The last thing we have to do, obviously, is these fork guards. The ones that were on there were all cracked and broken up. I'm sure that I could still put them on there, but we're gonna see if we can get a pair. But that's about it. Ignore my arm burn.